kalbo na lang yung tenga, no? Pero wala namang ulan, hangin lang.
Hi guys, today is August 28th. It's Tuesday and I'm off to work, and as you can see, it's back to normal now. Hurricane season is over, and well, fortunately it was not as bad as they claim it would be. Like there was no heavy rain and all that, and the wind is actually not that strong, but it was kind of scary. Like me myself, like we were so scared that we bought a lot of water and food, and people were panic buying. But thank God it was over. And sorry if I wasn't able to post videos on my YouTube channel because I had two jobs, and when I was working, when I'm off on my other job, I am working on my other job. So I don't really have a full day off. I know if I want something, I should make no excuses, but I am just explaining why I haven't been posting videos so far. Well, the last videos I posted were when we went on vacation in Vancouver. Yeah, so I hope you guys are safe and doing well, and thank you for watching. Bye.